In 2025, with the global economy on the edge of a possible collapse, the decisions you make about where to put your money are likely more critical than ever. Many people are turning to two different choices: gold, the reliable store of wealth that has stood the test of time, or Bitcoin, the volatile cryptocurrency that promises huge rewards but comes with massive risks. The question is, which one is more likely to truly help defend your hard-earned savings when everything else falls apart? Let's take a look at each one. Bitcoin prices are tightly correlated with movements in the Nasdaq SPX. Not much of a safe haven, unlike the oldest safe haven asset in history, gold, which has proven to be a clear store of value in the weirdest of times, including the recent pandemic. As a hedge of volatility, something is definitely in the air today as gold reaches record highs with the expectation of possible volatility that could be coming just around the corner. It doesn't even have to be the big world-changing risks like the pandemic. This year, when the top 7 tech companies lost a cool $1 trillion at the beginning of August, Bitcoin followed suit and lost 15% of its value in just 12 hours. Gold, for the record, moved only about 1.3% in the same time. Bitcoin might be appealing because it's digital and promises high returns, but history shows that when markets get rough, Bitcoin may not be the safe haven many hope it to be. In 2018, when Bitcoin lost nearly 50% of its value in just 12 weeks, gold gained 7%. Again, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Bitcoin's value dropped by almost 60%, while gold's losses were a modest 8%. These numbers are more than just statistics. They're proof that gold holds its value when the world around it is falling apart. Gold's value isn't just about surviving downturns, it's about providing real security when everything else is in chaos. For centuries, gold has been a reliable store of wealth, trusted by people and governments alike. Central banks around the world are increasing their gold reserves, recognizing that in times of uncertainty, gold is the asset that will hold its value. This isn't just a historical trend, it's a real, tangible benefit for anyone looking to help try to protect their savings in a volatile world. Bitcoin, in contrast, is inherently unstable. Its value is tied to speculation and sentiment, making it a dangerous place to park your money when the economy takes a hit. Sure, Bitcoin's underlying technology is revolutionary, but that doesn't change the fact that its value can swing wildly from one day to the next. In a world where economic instability may be becoming the norm, you could possibly need something more reliable than a speculative digital asset. As we move towards 2025, there's a good chance the world is only going to get more unpredictable. Rising debt levels, potential for increasing inflation, and ongoing geopolitical unrest are all signs that we may be entering a new era of volatility. In such times, the assets that will protect your wealth are those that have proven their resilience time and time again. Gold is arguably that asset. So when you're faced with a choice between gold and Bitcoin in 2025, the answer is looking clearer and clearer. Gold is the potential winner. It offers stability, reliability, and a proven track record that Bitcoin simply cannot match. When it comes to safeguarding your financial future, gold looks to be the undeniable winner. But hey, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about how gold and silver can potentially help you, please reach out to Goldco today. Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. With over 6,000 five-star reviews and over $2.5 billion in precious metals placements, Goldco has built up a reputation as one of the best and most trusted gold companies in the country. Goldco is also offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. Simply click on the link below or use the QR code on the screen to get yours today. Until next time, I'm MJ, and hey, thanks for joining us.